grabbed your free, nourishing entree and you're excited to sit and have lunch with your friends. But wait, aren't you forgetting something? When you get to the salad bar, make sure to place your tray on the service table so you can easily move down the line. There are fresh local options every day. School nutrition standards require a half cup of fruits and veggies. Try to fill 1 square with fruit and 1 square with veggies. Pick your favorites or try something new. Remember, only grab what you will eat. Your free school lunch is a balanced meal with full servings of whole grains, proteins, fruits, and vegetables after visiting the salad bar. If you drop food or utensils on the ground, do not pick them up or put them back on the salad bar. An adult will come by and clean it up. You can keep moving down the salad bar. If you've grown taller than the salad bar, do not duck under the sneeze guard. Stand up tall and protect everyone from germs. When moving down the salad bar, you can use both sides. All the same tasty options are available. Make sure to be respectful of your friends by taking food quickly, waiting your turn, and keeping your hands to yourself. Make sure to use the tongs or spoons nearest to you when filling your plate instead of reaching across. Remember, once you touch it or once it's on your plate, it's yours to take. You can have your fruits and veggies on the side or right on your entree. On Taco Tuesday, you can add lettuce, beans, and corn to create a beef taco supreme. On Wednesdays, throw some ranch and lettuce on your chicken patty to create a deluxe chicken sandwich. If you like your veggies on the side, try dipping them in ranch or Italian dressing for extra flavor. How would you spruce up your lunch at the salad bar? Your school lunch can only help you grow big and strong if you eat it. Be sure you're enjoying your nourishing lunch with your friends. After you've finished your lunch, it's time to clean up. Don't throw away your tray because they are recycled. Make sure to stack them in your cafeteria's designated area.